Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn to knit this easy and beautiful unique stitch pattern. This pattern will be great for a jean sweater and also you can knit this in your lady sweater. This is the way it looks like. See, this is the pattern. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 4 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast in multiples of 6 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 6 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 21 stitches on my needle, which is 6 plus 6 plus 6, 3 times 6 18 and plus 1 extra stitch 19 and 2 edge stitch 21. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1 and purl 2 together, purl 2 together. And for this one stitch we are going to make 3 stitch here from 1. First we are going to do purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. So we are going to make 3 here with purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1 and yarn in front, purl 1. Make 3 stitches in 1 here and then purl 2 together, purl 2 together. That's the repeat from here to here. This is 6 stitch pattern. So we have done 2 4 6. So we have done here knit 1, purl 2 together and make 3 stitch here in 1 stitch, which is 1 purl stitch, 1 knit stitch and 1 purl stitch, and then purl 2 together, right? Knit 1, purl 2 together, make 3 in 1 and purl 2 together. That's the repeat. Repeat that again. Knit 1, purl 2 together, make 3 in 1 stitch with 1 purl stitch, yarn in back, 1 knit stitch, yarn in front and 1 purl stitch, make 3 in 1 and yarn in front, purl 2 together. So we have done 2 repeats here. We have one more repeat. Repeat that again. Knit 1, purl 2 together, make 3 stitch here in 1 purl stitch, yarn in back, 1 knit stitch, yarn in front, 1 purl stitch and purl 2 together. So we have done 3 repeats from here to here, and after you finish your all repeats, for the last 2 stitch, 1 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 and for every wrong side rows, purl all stitches. So your edge stitch slip on the wrong side and purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. Row 3 right side. For row 3 right side, knit all stitches. Edge stitch slip on the right side and knit all stitches. row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. So we have done 4 rows here, and that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat these 4 rows, row 1 to row 4, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.